Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am having a first look at Darth Vader Shadow keychain, which is part of the Easy Gems series from Diamond Art Club. So this is my first look at something from the Easy Gems collection, and it is a keychain. And this particular one is Darth Vader Shadow. So licensed artwork as always from Diamond Art Club. So we have Star Wars, Diamond Art Club Do What Makes You Sparkle, Easy Gems, Diamond Painting Kit, Keychain. This is quite interesting, large gems. So I'm guessing the drills are larger than the standard drills. We'll find out. Darth Vader Shadow, art kit DIY, includes everything you need. And then this is obviously part of a series, and we've got the different characters here. So we've got Yoda, Darth Vader, Stormtrooper, and Princess Leia. So on the back, everything you need is included, how it works if you're new to diamond painting, 3 basic steps on how to diamond paint. Warning, choking hazard, basically keep out of the reach of small children. You don't want them swallowing the drills by accident thinking they're candy. And lifetime warranty, diamond spill insurance, and high purity resin diamonds. Third party tested for compliance with EU and USA standards. Now that means that Diamond Art Club's kits, including this, are tested by an independent authority to ensure that they are within the EU and USA standards. So we don't have any chemicals in here that shouldn't be here. We don't have any excess chemicals. Everything has been checked to make sure it's safe. Then we have Disney and StarWars.com, copyright and trademark Lucasfilm Limited. So as I said, everything is licensed. So we'll open it up. So we've got a little glue strip here. Open that and take it out. Have a look at the packaging first. So we've done the front, and here we have inside. So again, we have the 4 different characters in this series. And then, oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, to be honest. So I can see why it says larger. These are definitely bigger than standard drills. So that is our keychain, and then behind that we have kit contents, keychain ×1, sparkling gems, twist and pick applicator with wax multi-placers, stackable tray with lid and stopper, and 15 resealable baggies. 15, so it's quite surprising. We'll see how many colours we have in it. So I'll open it up. It is stapled, so I'm just going to tear it. Okay. So we'll put this to the side and open it up. So inside we have the Diamond Art Club toolkit that does not want to come out. We have the actual keychain, and underneath that we have this little pink envelope. So we have tips and tricks, so a couple of ideas if you're new to diamond painting, these might help. Flip it over, thank you for your purchase, Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. So if we open up the envelope, we just fold the diamond, open it up and see what's inside. So we have kit contents, we have join our Facebook group, scan the QR code and you can join the Diamond Art Club Facebook group, get to meet other diamond painters from all around the world and find out what's happening with Diamond Art Club. How to use and refill the twist and pick applicator, 6 step-by-step instructions on how to diamond paint. We have the socials, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and TikTok at Diamond Art Club, and the website diamondartclub.com. And finally, probably the most important part, we have a couple of QR codes here, iPhone and Android. Scan the QR code, download the Diamond Art Club app and have a browse. If you see a kit or kits that you're interested in and you buy them, you will get a 20% discount. So definitely worth using that 20% off Diamond Art Club kit or kits. So that was the envelope. And we'll have a look at the toolkit. Oh, underneath the toolkit, the drills. So inside the toolkit we have the Diamond Art Club pen, which is very different from the standard diamond painting pens you'll see, the typical pink straw. So I have an ergonomic pen. It has wax in the pen and you actually feed the wax to the tip. So no more dipping the pen tip in pink wax. And we have a tray. So the tray comes with a lid and the spout and the stopper. Inside the tray we have some pink wax if you want to use the pink wax. The little heart, Diamond Art Club have always done pink hearts of wax. Then we get a multiplacer as well if you want to use a multiplacer, but in this case you cannot use a multiplacer with this kit, and I'll explain why in a bit. So the pen also has a multiplacer on it as well, but a smaller one. So just a brief rundown of the kit. We also have a bag of baggies, but we don't have a lot of colours, so we definitely have more bags than colour. But I do have a video that goes into more detail about the Diamond Art Club toolkit, where I show exactly how the pen works. I take it apart and I show how to refill it as well. But to keep this video time down, I'm going to skip that. But I will put a link in the description. I'll take the baggies out, they went in there. I will put a link in the description if you want to find out more about the pen. If you buy a full-size Diamond Art Club kit, you will get a larger tray than this. It also comes with clear wax to refill the pen. And again, in that video, I show how to refill the pen. And then the bag of bags, and that's pretty much it. So we'll move all this to the side and we'll have a look at the drills, which is not going to take very long. They are much bigger than standard drills. So I'm guessing they're in, yep, a resealable bag that you will never reseal. So we'll have a glue strip, pull it open and take out the drills. So we have 4 bags of drills, and it's actually only 2 colours. So we have number 3 and number 6, number 3 and number 6. So if we have a look at the actual keyring, you can see the only numbers that are on here are 3 and 6. So only 2 colours in this kit, and these drills are much larger than standard drills. Also notice that they have a special coating on them, or are they? No, they're actually, you're looking through them. They have the silver backing, so the light actually shines through the drill and reflects back. At least these ones do, but the black are standard drills. So this will be a very, very quick kit to do. 2 colours, large drills, ideal for someone who's totally new to diamond painting and just wants to get used to using the pen, how to use the pen to pick up drills, gets practice with placing them. A good one for the kids as well, nice and small. This will not take long at all, so they can practice their numbers. So you can maybe help them and they'll look and see, okay, this is a number 6, so you could ask them which bag is number 6 and show them how to place the drills, and let them do it. Or if they're a bit younger, just get them to help by picking out the bag for you. So really, really quick kit to work on. It is pretty thick, so hopefully it won't break too easily. And we have the clip. So I'm thinking that probably this will not really be used as a keychain. I'm thinking a lot of people would hang them on bags, like rucksacks and school bags and that type of thing. So you can show your love for Star Wars. But it's a cool idea, very, very quick kit, and a really good way to get people sort of introduced to diamond painting. As I said, the multiplacer will not work because multiplacers place drills in a straight line, and as you can see, this type of kit, the drills aren't in straight lines. So you will be single placing, but again, this will not take very long. So that was it. Very, very quick one this time, but this is part of the new range of Easy Gems. Obviously Easy Gems because they are much larger and they do not take very long. So that is Darth Vader Shadow, part of the Easy Gems keychain from Diamond Art Club. So that was the Darth Vader Shadow keychain from Diamond Art Club, part of the new Easy Gems collection. It is bigger than I was expecting. I had seen a picture of it and I thought it was standard size drills, which would have made it a lot smaller. So they have these large drills, makes the keychain much bigger. As I said, I really think that most people are going to use these on their rucksacks, school bags, that sort of thing. I know I've seen a lot of these sort of things, people sort of displaying the things that they're interested in. Obviously Star Wars, many fans. So I think it's a really, really good idea. The smallest diamond painting kits from Diamond Art Club yet, with the larger drills, make it even easier for kids. And I think it's a really fast way for people to practice diamond painting. You may have somebody in your family who is a Star Wars fan and is maybe thinking about diamond painting but doesn't want to take on a huge project that's going to take weeks or months. And something like this, nice and easy, a good gift as well for any Star Wars fans in your family. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, accessories, basically anything to do with diamond painting, please remember to subscribe and you will get a little message if you hit the notification button when new videos come up. And I have a lot of videos coming, so if you're interested, please remember, click those buttons. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and may the Force be with you.